nakilala ko siya, si Pauline, nung naglilingkod ako bilang volunteer sa construction. Kasi gagawan sila ng Kingdom Hall, bagong Kingdom Hall. Pagkatapos, doon kami nag-dinner sa bahay nila kasi kakarating lang namin.
Tahimik kasi si Kuya Eddie nung una. So, akala ko snobero, pero habang nakikilala ko siya, talagang mabait. Saka, makulit din pala. Saka masaya. Through the ceiling, 'cause I've never been so sure it's the real thing. Must be love. Must be love. Got me talking all night by the candlelight. Little picnic in the park with your hand in mine. If you wanna take a chance, we can roll the dice. Baby, I'll do anything you like. Such a beautiful night to make a change in our lives. East Anglian sky, empty bottle of wine. I got you by my side, talking about love and light. Oh, how lucky I am when I look in your eyes. What a wonderful way to spend a moment or two, to be lying awake and be here talking to you. I got something to say, I know what I gotta do, to be making a change, now the moment of truth. Why am I feeling so nervous when things are going so perfect? I don't know if it's worth it to spend forever with you. So I count 2, 3, get down on one knee, and I ask you, darling, honestly, I've waited all this time just to make it right. So I ask you tonight, will you marry me? Just say yes. One word, one love, one life. Minsan, gusto akong magbiro kasi gusto kong sabihin na wala akong nararamdaman. Pero liliwanagin ko, wala akong nararamdaman. Wala akong nararamdaman na kaba, wala akong nararamdaman na takot. Kasi alam ko na mahusay yung magiging partner ko. To spend the rest of a life, some will reappear, burning a red. I'll chest the pill, bring us home to bed. Last night was the night, one last moment of truth. Pag kasama ko siya, inaantok ako. Nararamdaman ko kasi yung peace of mind. So, yun, parang it's more than kilig. Mas nakakahigit yung peace of mind. Forever with you. So I count 2, 3 and get down on one knee, and I ask you. Kay Pauline na mahal ko, pinapangako ko na mamahalin kita, aalagaan, paglalaanan, igagalang, sasamahan kita hindi lang kapag masaya ka o kapag masaya tayo, kundi lalong-lalo na magiging pang-aliw mo rin ako sa panahon ng problema. One love, one life. Your hand in mine, some things were just meant to be. Hearts intertwined, some things were just meant to be. In perfect time. Siyempre yung sakripisyo niya din, talagang yung pagod at yung effort niya para magawa yung mga gusto ko sa kasalang ito. Talagang nakita ko yun at na-appreciate ko yun. Kaya salamat, mahal ko, at tulungan mo ako para maging masaya at maganap yung gusto kong mangyari dun sa kasal natin. I love you! Siyempre, lalang higit sa Diyos sa Jehovah, kasi kung hindi tayo sa Diyos sa Jehovah, hindi magiging matagumpay ang kasal.